What if I told you that anyone can create a cryptocurrency token in just a few minutes, even without being a professional programmer? Yes, seriously. But there's one thing most people don't realize about creating crypto tokens, and I'll explain that in a moment. First, let's understand how tokens are actually created. Most crypto tokens are built on existing blockchains like Ethereum, BNB Chain, or Solana. These networks allow developers to create tokens using something called a smart contract. A smart contract is basically a small piece of code that runs on the blockchain. It defines the rules of the token. For example, the smart contract decides the token's name, its symbol, the total supply, and how many tokens will exist. Once this code is ready, the developer deploys it to the blockchain. But here's the interesting part. Launching the token only requires paying a small transaction fee, known as a gas fee. After the transaction is confirmed, the token officially exists on the blockchain. In other words, your crypto token is now real. It can be stored in wallets, transferred between users, and even listed on decentralized exchanges. But this is where many people get confused. Creating a token is actually the easy part. The real challenge is building a project, a community, and real utility behind that token. And that's why thousands of new tokens appear every year, but only a few of them become successful crypto projects. So yes, technically anyone can create a crypto token in minutes. But turning that token into something valuable, that's the part that takes real work.